Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an Alina Crafts, Alina Cuttle project share. A few videos back I hauled a few of the new release and I wanted to share some projects I made with the new products that she released in her store. Alright, so let's jump right on in. The first project I want to share with you, I used these dies right here. I used this really cute little half moon star set. I used this cute little bear. This is a bear die in my stash. I used this baby stamp set. I used the Welcome Baby stamp. This is a stamp and die set in her store. And then I also used this wavy, what is this? Rectangle, square, a square set, okay? All right, so the card I made with those dies looks like this, and it's an adorable baby card. There's where I layered the stars, which are super cute. I layered them 3 times, and then I layered some silver on top of a couple of them, some glitter cardstock. I used this little border die, which is actually another die in her store. It looks like this. And then I stamped out Welcome Baby, and then I layered the square die 3 times, so 1, 2, 3 layers, and then I used the tiny little hearts that came out of another heart die from her store right here, and I think it came out so cute. Here is the heart bow die, which I've shared several times. It looks like this. So I used that bow, and then I just popped a little foam star sticker on top of the bow, and I think it's so cute. I love the way that this baby card came out, and then on the inside I just layered it with 1 sheet of patterned paper using the same nested square die. So that is the first card. All right, moving along, the next project I used, let me show you the dies that I used. I used this square heart doily set. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 dies, and then these 2 little extra layering pieces for corners. I did use the larger Alina Craft heart bow die, and then what else did I use? And then I used this really cute heart border, which is super cute. There's several border dies that come with this set. All right, so the project I made looks like this, and I think it came out super cute. Now, this was not my original idea. I did see a post on Instagram. Someone had purchased this set and made a cute little box, and I thought, oh my gosh, how super cute. So of course I had to make one to share with you guys. I just thought it was so adorable. So basically what I did was I used this larger heart square die and put it on the base of my box. And it looks like that. And then those are the little corner pieces on the corners. And then there is the large stitched bow. I'll just zoom in so you can see how pretty that looks. And then the handle, I used the little heart border that looks like this. That's how I created the handle. Now, the lady that had made the box that I saw, she did a different heart border for her handle, but I figured that that border would look super cute with this little box. So that's what I did. And I just love the way it came out. And as you can see, this is a nice sized treat box, and this is the back. I didn't do the corners on the back, but I think it's so cute. Okay, so I know you guys are gonna ask me how I created the box. So let me just tell you or show you really quickly. Let me just set that right there. So what I did was this sheet of paper, you need a sheet of paper that's 8.5 inches long by 3 7/8 inches wide. And what I did was I used the length of this die from inside of the square to this side of the square. That's how I got the measurement so that it would cover the box just on the inside, and then the outside would just be the border of the box, in case you're wondering, if that makes sense. So 8.5 inches long by 3 7/8 inches wide, you want to score at 3 inches and 5 inches. So once you score, it'll look like that, and you'll have something that looks like this. And then for the side of the box, you're going to need a piece of paper that's 3.5 by 3.5. You're going to score at 1.5 and 3, and then you're going to turn and score at 1/2. And then what you want to do is you want to miter the corner, so you cut like a little triangle on this side and this side. You'd fold it up like so, and then you would adhere this inside of your box like this, if that makes sense. So you would adhere it with some red line tape, and just like that, you have your box, and you want to do it on each side. And then for the handle, I'm going to say paper is going to be probably about 2 inches, and then you're going to use this die. And when you die cut it, make sure you die cut it with the pointy side up so that you can create the border. And then you do the same thing on the other side to create the little handle. And if you cut it at about 2 inches, that should give you this nice size handle, which is I think about maybe 1.5 or less than right around an inch or so. I'm sorry, I didn't measure it, but you have to give yourself enough room so that you can use the border die to create the handle, and then you'd have something that looks like this. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you, but it's super easy to create and make, and look how big it is. You can stick a ton of candy and goodies in here. All right, so I'm really happy with that little cute project share. All right, up next, I used this die set right here. It looks like this. I used this balloon. It's like a heart balloon set, and it comes with 2 hearts and then layering pieces. Oops, I'm losing stuff. And then I used this number set right here, and it creates a solid number, and then it has the overlay, which I've shared before. All right, so let me show you the card that I made using those dies. This is a birthday card that I actually made for my daughter. She will be turning 18 this next coming year, and I figured I'd make this one for her, but I think it came out so adorable. There's where I used the numbers, and I put glitter behind the numbers so it pops, and then there's the TH for 18th, and then there's the heart balloon. You see how you can layer the heart with the pink and green, and then I added a little bit of twine for the balloon, and then the happy birthday is a die from my stash. And then this square, wavy square die is another die that I used from my stash. And I think it came out absolutely adorable. And it's super shiny, but I love it. And then on the inside, I just layered it with a scallop square die and a nested square set that I have. And I'll be able to write a little letter in there for her. So super, super cute. I love my glitter, so love the way that came out. And then the last card that I have to share with you today, I used this little doggy die, which is absolutely adorable. Again, I used the heart bow die, and then I used this rectangle square heart frame, which has lots of different layering pieces. So I created this card right here, and I think it came out super, super cute. Now I did use some Christmas paper. As you see, there's snowflakes on the bow paper and then in the middle. And then this is that pretty frame. I used the little layering pieces on the corner. And then I used the word hugs as a different die from my stash, and I layered it about 3 times to give it a little bit of dimension so it would pop off the page. I used the tiny little heart that came out of the little die right here, and I just put it on the little dog because I thought that was cute. And then on the inside of the card, it looks like that. Again, I used the frame, and then I used a circle die to cut out the word merry and bright, which came with this paper collection. And then I could write my little note on the top of the card, which I think came out really, really pretty. So this is my project share for Alina Cuttle. I hope that you were inspired today. Please leave me a comment. Check the description box below for product information. And thanks for watching my video. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.